I want to show you guys how easy and quick it is to make your own bleach disinfectant wipes. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention have stated that bleach cleaning solutions are really effective against all sorts of nasty things like mold and bacteria and viruses, including coronavirus. So let's get into it and let's make some really easy, no-nonsense bleach disinfectant wipes. You're going to need some paper towel. And here I have about a third of a roll. This is shop towels. I actually got this from a big box store that was pretty cheap, but you can use any paper towel. And just grab a serrated knife and cut it to fit. So you just want to make sure it fits within a sealed container. It could be any container as long as it has a lid that seals tightly. You don't want this cleaning solution to evaporate. So cut it to size and do a test fit, and you should be good to go. Okay, now for the cleaning solution. Super easy, okay? You're going to want to use 1 teaspoon of bleach for every cup of water. Real easy to remember. So for my setup here, I have 3 teaspoons of bleach going into 3 cups of warm water. And you can scale it up or down as you see fit. If you have a bigger container or more paper towel, then you want to add more bleach, more water. And once you get the bleach in there, just give it a nice stir and make sure that the solution is nicely combined. Okay, once you got it all mixed up, you're almost done. Just carefully pour it over your paper towels in the container. It might get a little bit messy, so just take your time. I have an old towel here under my container just to catch the drips, but it's no big deal. Just take your time and try to coat the paper towel evenly, but I mean, it's going to soak it up anyway, so you don't have to be too perfect about it. Now just pull out that inner core, that cardboard core. You could do it before or you could do it now, but it's pretty easy after you have the solution in there because it kind of dissolves a little bit, so it comes out real easy. And then just put the top on, seal it up, and just set it aside for a little while. Let the paper towel fully absorb the cleaning solution. And that's it. I mean, it doesn't get any easier than that. You're ready to clean. Use these on hard and non-porous surfaces. So, countertops, tiles, appliances, stainless steel, door handles, taps, sinks, things like that. If you do clean food surfaces, though, like plastic cutting boards, for example, just make sure you rinse them off with clean water. A tip if you have kids or other people that do the cleaning as well is just to label your cleaning solution as bleach. And, from a distance, without even opening it, people will know what's in it. And that's it. Disinfectant wipes done. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and share it and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment if you try this out or if you have any questions for me, and I'll respond to you as soon as I can. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.